Hello. I was driving around and these buddies up at a boat building place just happened to have this circly thing in their pile, and they said, if you ever want anything, just grab it, right? It's going to recycle anyway. And it had a bunch of holes in it, still does. And I thought, what am I going to use that for? It looks cool. Had a big hole in the middle. And I thought, well, I'm going to wire up some LEDs into it. Well, you might have saw this on a previous video. It's just one of them flashing LEDs. And it kind of goes like this, right? And then it'll go fast. And then it'll go slow again. Anyway, I thought, I got like 10 billion of those. Probably less than 10 billion. A couple hundred. Had a bunch of these holders. Still do. Shoved those in the hole. Shoved the 10 millimeters in there. Just jumper wired it with little jumper wires for now. Whoa, that's kind of bright. Let's try a different one. There we go, nice little reflections going on. I put the jumper wires on there. It's supposed to be 3.2 volts. So I wired up 4 there and 4 there. I thought, I'll shove in about 12 volts. So I had a booster here. And the booster just goes down through these wires to a 5 volt phone charger. I think it's 1 amp maybe. I figured, yeah, I'll just, I got that laying around. I'll just poke the wires in there and bring it up to 11 or 12 volts. Adjust it through this guy here. And the result is, I'll just turn the power supply on, is that. I thought, that's pretty cool. I'll get rid of this other light here. And this one here. And I thought, that's pretty cool. But I can do cooler things with it too. With this plastic goo I can put over top to diffuse it a little bit. I thought, that's pretty neat. The red. It's really good for those 7-segment LED number things. Just for camera use anyway. Or you could use one of these, like, I think this is called vellum or something close to vellum. I don't think it's really called vellum, this particular type, but it's something like that. I thought, that's pretty cool, and you can get some pretty cool effects with that. And you put that in a case or something, or a frame, I don't know. If it's in a dark room and you shine it towards the wall has all these little colored dots all over the place. I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's fun. So anyway, another thing I just kind of threw together. Had nothing else to do, so I thought, I'll give that a shot. So let me get that off. Die. There you go. Quite a while ago, I put this together with a couple of batteries and a little switch on it. It does the same thing, but it only has 4 in it, and that's pretty cool too. You just do kind of effects with that one there. So the RGB 10mm LEDs, they're kind of cool. They kind of look kind of funky. They do kind of weird stuff, right? So I don't know, you can experiment with those and just make all kinds of weird stuff going on. Maybe do some of that hippie LSD and just trip out for a while. I'm already dumb enough, I'm not going to be doing that again. So that's the 10mm LED project. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.